3 Chinese astronauts have returned to Earth safely after a 6-month stay in space. Astronauts Zhai Ji-gun, Wang Ya-ping and Ya Guangfu are all in good physical conditions. The 3 astronauts have lived and worked in the space station complex for 183 days. It is the longest stay in space by Chinese astronauts on a single mission. The 3 Chinese astronauts were sent into space on board the Shenzhou-13 spaceship and entered the space station core module Tianhe on October 16, 2021. They have completed multiple tasks over the past few months, including 2 extravehicular activities, 2 live science lectures, and a number of sci-tech experiments and application projects.